The upcoming Korean film The Devil's Deal will be in theaters next month. Distributor company Plus Entertainment released a new trailer and poster for the upcoming movie The Devil's Deal on February 1st. Through the trailer and poster, it was officially confirmed that the movie will be available in Korean theaters starting on March 1, 2023. The upcoming Korean film will tell the story of an assembly member candidate who is on the run after being trapped in a messy political deal set in 1992. It will be directed by Lee Won Tae, who previously helmed the films The Gangster, The Cop and The Devil and Man of Will. The Devil's Deal will be led by Jo Jin-woong, Lee Sung-min, Kim Moo-yeol, Sun Yeon, Kim Yoon-sung, and Kwak Jin. In the upcoming movie, Jo Jin-woong will play the role of Hee-won, the assembly member candidate who will get his hands dirty and re-enter politics. Lee Sung-min will play the role of Kwon Soo-tae, a local bigwig. Meanwhile, Kim Moo-yeol will portray the role of Kim Pil-doo, an action gangster who will help Hee-won in exchange for a hefty real estate profit promise. The Devil's Deal will be 1 hour and 56 minutes long. The movie will be available in all Korean theaters starting March 1. In the released poster, the fierce glare of the main leads is highlighted in the backdrop of a sealed document. This raises curiosity about what will happen between Hee-won, Soo-tae, and Pil-doo when confidential documents containing national secrets are opened. Meanwhile, in the trailer, Hee-won starts the scene by secretly trading confidential documents that will overturn the Republic of Korea. Soo-tae's power was also highlighted through the narration. Politics is dealing with a demon. If you want power, you have to exchange it for your soul. The next scene reveals the start of the deal between Hee-won and Gangster Pil-doo, raising curiosity about how these three will work together despite their clashes.